Hello, welcome to Gameblox's Introduction to Graphs tutorial. We are going to add a graph to track the new location of the coins in our coin collecting game. Let's begin in the design editor. One of the elements we can have in our game is a graph. We can change the name, the height, the width of the class. We can also select what type of graph this class will be. It could be a line graph, a scatter plot, or a bar graph. We will be using a line graph today. A graph class defaults to one series. We can add more series and change the name and the color of those series. Today we'll need two series. One series to track the X coordinate of the coins, and another series to connect the Y coordinates of these coins. Series are just different sets of data we can display with different colors. So let's create an instance of this graph. First, we'll need to move the sprites and the text over because these sprites cannot be accessed underneath the graph. We'll drag a graph onto the right-hand side of the stage. On the right-hand side of the editor, let's change the x-axis to the nth coin and the y-axis label to the coordinate. Now let's press the play button and test this all out. We can see the graph on the stage, and as we collect the coins, the coins randomly travel. However, we can see that the sprite cannot access this coin because it is underneath the graph. So let's go to the blocks editor and update the x's range for the random integer to 320. This is the space the graph is not covering. In the graphs drawer, we can grab the append graphs 1 coins x data and insert that below these sets labeled text. We want to track the coins x, so let's grab the sprites 1x, throw out the 10, and update this to Kaleido 2. We will need to do the same thing for coins y, so we can simply duplicate that and update everything accordingly. So let's test this out now. And we can now see that when the coins are collected, the new locations show up on the graph, and the coins do not appear under the graph. If we hover over a series on the legend, we can see that the series is highlighted with stronger colors. If we press one of these series, they no longer show up. But what if you want to permanently not show a series? We can go back into the blocks editor and simply go into the graphs drawer and pull out a hide graph 1's coin x block. So let's test this out. Now, when we collect the coins, we can no longer see coins x. It's no longer an option. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with your game.